Rabri milk. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am making Rabri Doodh summer special drink. We don't use custard or cornflour to thicken this milk. Basil seeds 2 tablespoons. Add water soaked 15 minutes. One cup of sugar. We will cook it on low heat until its color changes. Now what will we add to it to make it thicker and more flavorful? We will add the seeds from 5 cardamom pods. This is the secret that you will add to your Rabri milk. Vanilla ice cream powder. Two tablespoons add with milk. We will prepare the caramel on a slow heat. Now your caramel is ready. Now you will slowly add 1 kilogram of milk to it. Add ice cream powder. How long will you guys follow the recipe that says you added custard and we added cornflour and made it tired? This time you add ice cream powder and see. The flavor will remain that rubbery milk, but the flavor change that will come is very important. Mix well. We will continue stirring until it thickens. Adding ice cream powder will change the entire flavor and make this rubbery milk even more tasteless. When the milk has cooled, you will add the basil seeds that you soaked in it. You check its thickness to see how well it is made. Add ice cubes. Add dry fruits. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch easy and simple recipes. The best Rabri milk is ready.